Make a great choice today with the 2023 Hyundai Tucson. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles. Inside you'll find smart device integration, trip computer, cargo net, tinted glass, carpeted floor mats. The Hyundai Tucson is Hyundai's first CUV to be designed in Europe. Tucson takes the boxy utility vehicle and transforms it. With flowing curves, graceful lines, and style to spare, it's the future of the crossover. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.